The first micro diagram we look at is the demand curve. The concepts that we have to know here are the law of demand, and that helps us explain why consumers behave the way they do. As always, if you don't understand either of those two concepts, go check out one of my more full videos. The link is in the description below. We start looking at the demand curve, and we're simply looking at a change in the quantity demanded. Remember, when we do this, we have to be very specific with our language. If we're talking about a movement along the same demand curve, then we have to say quantity demanded. If we're talking about a change in the overall demand curve, then we talk about a change or an increase or a decrease of demand itself. So, our movement along the demand curve is always going to exhibit an inverse relationship. That is, when the price goes down, the quantity demanded is going to increase. Or, if the price were to go up, the quantity demanded would decrease. The formula for that, if you're an HL student, is QD equals A minus BP. The point of it is that P is the independent variable, and QD is the dependent variable. Remember, if you're a math student, that might hang you up because we've got our axes flipped in economics. That's just the way it is, so you're going to have to learn to deal with it. When we look at a change in demand, what we're saying here is that at the same price that a different quantity is demanded. So at P1, we used to demand Q1, but now we demand Q2. Well, that's because of a change to what we call a determinant of demand, and what it has done, it has changed the relationship between price and quantity demanded. So, again for HL, what that might look like in the formula is that the A variable has gone from QD equals 40 minus 2P, it's increased to QD equals 60 minus 2P. If you have any questions, check out my other videos or leave a comment below.